Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to set up a Zoom meeting and invite others. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Zoom account. After that, on the upper right side, click on Schedule. Now, you can type in your meeting details. You can type any topic that you want. Then set up a time and date for your meeting. You can also type in the duration. Now, you can make it a recurring one or not. Once done, click on Save. Now it will generate an invite link. You just have to copy it, then copy meeting invitation. Now you can send it or paste it wherever you want. Then your attendees will just click on it and they will be added to the meeting. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.